Well, I got a treat for you today. We got a Cadillac DeVille with the North Star V8. She's black on black. We had to delete the passenger seat because of reasons. Got the aluminum wheels, premium sound, shatterproof glass. Come on in, we'll put you on the road today. She took a real hard hit. Basically got T-boned and thrown into a gas station support. They was lucky enough to not hit the pump, or they would have killed a bunch of people. That hole is where the front of the car should be, way up there. That silver piece should be connected there, and that's your bumper in the front. Bumper is shoved up into a dude's legs. That silver piece is the door bracket that stays inside the car. That's the door panel next to the stereo. They quite literally deleted the passenger seat. Side curtains save lives. There's the bottom of the door. If there was a passenger here, they would not have had anything lower than the hips. Hit so hard she threw the gas cap open. You can see the ripples in the roof.